Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, March 24 to 26. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have a very limited area of the Northeast Monsoon, which is expected to strengthen for the next 24 hours across the northernmost islands of Luzon. That includes Batanes and Babuing Cubab Islands, as well as the coastal areas of Cagayan, and the northern coastal areas of Cagayan and Ilocos Norte. So expect some breezy conditions of up to 40 or 50 kph with some passing showers across these islands. And down here across the Calayan Island group, we have the weaker Northeast Monsoon or the northeasterly surface wind flow, bringing some windy conditions but generally good weather with some passing cloudiness with isolated showers. Meanwhile, across the Bicol region, Calabarzon, Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, Visayas, and also over the northeastern and eastern portions of Mindanao, we have the warm easterly surface wind flow, bringing some hot weather with passing isolated rain showers and thunderstorms over these areas. While outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, we have a frontal system here together with its tail end, and we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight, particularly for the next 5 to 10 days, so it's all clear across the western Pacific. So that's the latest for our GovSat, and as we look at our fast animation, there you go, some cloudiness generated by the easterly surface wind flow just passed over Mindanao and bringing some isolated showers over to the western sections. But these are all localized thunderstorms since it is close to the equator. This is common sight during this time of the year, while the rest of the Philippine Islands is enjoying some good weather, some easterlies over the mentioned areas. Okay, and as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, so there you go. These are the isolated thunderstorms across areas of Mindanao, particularly the Zamboanga Peninsula and Bangsamoro areas, and some cloudiness over the Batanes, Babuing Cubab Islands, generated by the northeasterly wind flow or northeast monsoon. So far, that's the latest, and as we look at our rain forecast for the next 3 days, beginning to this evening, Wednesday. For tomorrow afternoon, expect some showers or thunderstorms portions of northern Luzon. Also over some areas, isolated areas of the Bicol region, Visayas, Palawan, eastern oriental Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, as well as some portions of Mindanao. And on Friday afternoon, still some possible showers will be expected in isolated areas of northern Luzon, as well as eastern Luzon, including the Bicol region, and also over Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, some parts of the Visayas, isolated areas of Mindanao, as well as Palawan. And the winds will be generally from the northeast, shifting to easterlies through the next 3 days. And as we look at our wind forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, still some northeasterly monsoonal flow here over extreme northern Luzon, particularly Batanes Islands, and some northeasterly surface wind flow, but generally the wind is blowing, the cloudiness is blowing from the east. And if we move forward to Friday, the wind will be more from the east with a slight component from the east-northeast, but generally this is an easterly surface wind flow for the next 2 days. And before we leave you, here's the latest global topics, hazards, and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. Meaning it is for the next 2 weeks, beginning March 24 until April 6. So we begin on the first week of this forecast, valid March 24 to March 30. There could be a medium chance, 50% chances of Above average rainfall over the southernmost parts of Mindanao, including the Celebes Sea and also the southern portions of Micronesia. But this is 50-50%, okay, 50% chance that it will push through. And on week 2, valid March 31st to April 6, normal conditions will be expected across the Philippine Islands. We still expect some isolated rain showers to form in various parts of the country because of the ongoing La Nina phenomenon. Although in the month of April, it will finally return to neutral or normal conditions. So expect normal rainfall conditions to occur within the next few months, beginning April. So so far, that's the latest from our global topics hazards. And there you go. We end now our latest update, and we'll be returning again in the next few days for the latest on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.